Good morning children, welcome to VVPS e-learning class. Today we are going to do question number 4 of exercise 6b. So children, question number 4 of exercise 6b is list the common factors of the numbers in the following pairs. What you have to find out? We have to find out that common factors of the pairs given in the question. So first question is 12 and 24. So finding out the common factors, children, what we will do, we will first take out the factors of 12 and then we will take out the factors of 24 and then we will mark the common factors which we can see in both the numbers. है ना? तो first we will take out the factors of 12. 1 12 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12. Now we will see 24 factors of 24. Now 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6s are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, then 12 2s are 24 and last is 24 1s are 24. Now you can see I have circled some numbers. What are they? They are commons. You can see this. These numbers in both the factors. जैसे 1 is here also and 1 is here also. 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 6 6, 12 and 12. Here 8 and 24 are not the common because these numbers are not given in both the factors. So your common factors of 12 and 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. So this how we have to take out the common factors of the given pairs. Question number B, 40 and 64. So first let us take out the factors of 40. 1 40 is a 40, 2 20s are 40, 4 10s are 40, 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 10 4s are 40, 20 2s are 40 and 40 1s are 40. है ना? Now 64, 1 64s are 64, 2 32s are 64, 4 16s are 64, 8 8s are 64, 16 4s are 64, 32 2s are 64 and 64 1s are 64. Now we have to find out the common factors. 1 is given in both the factors, 2 is given, 4 is common and 8 is common. So here 4 number are common in this 40 and 64. Common factors of 40 and 64 are 1 2 4 8. Question number C, 25 and 36. So 1 25s are 25. We will first take out the factors of 25. 1 25s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and the last is 25 1s are 25. 25 does not comes in so many tables. Now we will take out the factors of 36. So 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6s are 36, 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36, 18 2s are 36 and 36 1s are 36. Now you can see here only 1 is common in both the factors. So the common factors of 25 and 36 is 1 only. Now question number D. Question number D is 18 and 22. So let's take out first the factors of 18. 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and 18 1s are 18. Now we will take out the factors of 22. 1 22s are 22, 2 11s are 22, 11 2s are 22 and 22 1s are 22. So these both are the factors of both the numbers. Now we have to find common factors. You can see 1 is common, 2 is common, and another numbers are not common in both the factors. So common factors of 18 and 22 are 1 and 2. Now your homework is, children, you have to do question number E of exercise 6B. Clear? Once again I am repeating the homework. You have to do question number E of exercise 6B in your classwork copy. Thank you and have a nice day.